The ASA Tools Silicone Cartridge Tip Cutter is a straightforward yet highly efficient tool designed for trimming silicone cartridge tips. Crafted from stainless steel, it features a sharp and durable blade. This cutter is incredibly user-friendly and ensures clean, precise cuts. Using the ASA Tools Silicone Cartridge Tip Cutter is a breeze. Just position the silicone cartridge's tip in the blade slot and squeeze the handles. The blade effortlessly and quickly trims the cartridge's tip. For anyone working with silicone caulk or sealant regularly, the ASA Tools Silicone Cartridge Tip Cutter is indispensable. It offers a safe and convenient way to trim silicone cartridge tips, resulting in clean and precise cuts that contribute to a professional caulking job. The Beamnova Mini Electric Tabletop Miter Saw is a compact and versatile cutting tool suitable for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and crafters. With the ability to make precise cuts in various materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and resin, it's a valuable addition to any workshop. The saw features a powerful motor that can reach up to 10,000 revolutions per minute and comes with 2 blades for different materials. It includes convenient features such as an angle gauge, clamping jig, and a protractor for adjusting cutting angles. This mini miter saw is perfect for tasks like model making, jewelry crafting, RC model building, and more, thanks to its portability and ease of use. The Capro 985T Titan Mason Box Level is the ultimate choice for professional builders and carpenters, thanks to its sturdy construction and advanced features. With shock-absorbing properties along its entire length, magnified vials for superior visibility, and remarkable sensitivity, it offers unmatched precision and accuracy. The added benefit of a lifetime vial accuracy warranty and the convenience of quick transitions between floor and ceiling leveling make it a standout tool in the industry. Plus, its comfortable ergo grip handles and easy-to-clean design ensure it's a practical and reliable choice for demanding job sites. The Diston Plus 5-in-1 Workbench is a versatile and durable tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. With its large work surface, built-in power strip, clamping system, and adjustable height legs, it's suitable for woodworking, automotive work, home improvement projects, and more. Its portability and affordability make it a practical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This multifunctional workbench offers great value for the money and can easily adapt to various project needs. The dpnao Multitool Wrench is a versatile and portable multi-tool that combines various useful functions in one compact device. With an adjustable wrench, pliers, wire cutter, flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers, and 9 different screwdriver bits, it's well equipped to tackle various tasks. Made from durable stainless steel and featuring a comfortable grip, it's lightweight and easy to carry in your pocket or backpack. This multi-tool is ideal for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts, cutting wires, turning screws, opening tight lids, and handling minor repairs at home, the office, or during outdoor activities like camping, fishing, and hiking. It's a handy tool to have for a wide range of situations and emergencies. The PiCo Pipe, manufactured by PINOVO, is a portable and dust-free pipe blasting tool designed for effectively cleaning smaller pipe surfaces that are often hard to access with larger tools like the Pi Blaster. Available in various sizes to accommodate different pipe diameters, the PiCo Pipe employs a pressure-controlled process to blast aluminum oxide onto the pipe's surface, resulting in thorough cleaning. This tool is easy to handle and can be manually moved across the target area. The PiCo Pipe achieves a surface quality of SA 3/SP5, equivalent to a new surface. Besides surface cleaning, it also prepares the edges of existing paint, providing an optimal surface for subsequent primer application without any delays. The Kidde 2-story fire escape ladder is a crucial safety tool, designed for swift and easy evacuation through second-story windows in the event of a fire or emergencies. Constructed from durable materials, it can support up to 1,000 pounds and is flame resistant. This ladder attaches to most common windows, requires no tools for setup, and deploys with a simple pull. Equipped with anti-slip features, it ensures a secure descent. Compact and easy to store, having one in each second-story room can significantly enhance your home's safety preparedness. The Rockler Speed Cope Crown molding jig is an invaluable tool for woodworkers, designed to simplify the process of making cope cuts in crown molding. This universal jig is compatible with most crown molding up to 714 wide and can be adjusted for various cuts, including 45-degree and 90-degree inside miters, flat miters, and base, chair, and panel moldings. It offers stability to the molding during jigsaw cuts, ensuring precision without movement. With a built-in fence that guides the jigsaw, it guarantees straight and even cuts. The jig attaches to the miter saw table, allowing you to create professional cope cuts with ease, making it an asset for woodworkers of all levels. The FastenMaster PAMFast Autofeed system is a professional-grade screw delivery system designed to streamline fastening projects, saving time and labor. It utilizes collated screws, eliminating the need for individual screw loading and significantly boosting productivity, particularly on extensive projects. It's engineered to minimize jams and stripped bits thanks to its smooth advancement technology, ensuring consistent and smooth drives. Additionally, the Pamax fastener belts can accommodate up to 40% more screws than other systems, minimizing reloading time. This versatile tool is suitable for various applications, including subfloor and decking installation, drywall, roof tile, cement board, steel framing, crating, and pallets. The Skil 4-in-1 Multi-Sander is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet various sanding needs. It offers 4 different sanding attachments, including a triangular pad for large surfaces, a finger-shaped pad for narrow spaces, a flexible pad for curved surfaces, and a pointed pad for corners and tight spots. With a 1.2 amp motor and 13,500 orbits per minute, it provides ample power for tackling challenging sanding tasks. The sander is equipped with a microfiltration system to minimize dust, and its low-vibration design ensures user comfort during extended use. Whether you're working on large or intricate sanding projects, this multi-sander is a reliable choice. The Southwire 6-in-1 heavy-duty nut driver is a versatile and durable tool designed for various tasks, especially in the fields of electrical work, plumbing, automotive, construction, and general home improvement. It features a 6-in-1 design with multiple bit sizes. These bits are constructed from chrome-plated S2 steel, ensuring corrosion resistance and durability. The cushioned handle provides comfort during use and enhances torque. Additionally, the color-coded bits make it easy to quickly identify the correct size for the job at hand. This heavy-duty nut driver is a valuable addition to any toolbox for its versatility and long-lasting performance. TrueUp wall hangers provide a practical and damage-free solution for hanging frames, artwork, and various decor items without the need for nails or tools. These hangers use heavy-duty adhesive strips capable of supporting up to 8 pounds, yet they can be removed effortlessly without leaving any wall damage. They are suitable for a wide range of items such as frames, artwork, mirrors, clocks, shelves, and signs. The application process is straightforward. Clean and dry the wall surface, attach the adhesive strips to your item, align them with the wall mounts, and use the integrated spirit level to ensure a level hang. When it's time to make changes or move, the adhesive strips can be removed, leaving your walls unscathed, making TrueUp wall hangers a versatile and convenient hanging solution. Camway's feeler gauge is a precision measuring tool designed to accurately determine gaps between surfaces. With a set of thin, flexible blades in various thicknesses, constructed from durable stainless steel, and marked in both metric and imperial units, this tool is essential for achieving precise measurements in a wide range of applications. Simply select the appropriate blade from the set, insert it into the gap, and let the feeler gauge provide you with an accurate measurement, whether you're working on automotive, engineering, or other projects that demand precision. EZARK Carbide hole cutters are versatile and high-quality tools designed for cutting through various materials, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. These hole cutters are crafted with high-grade tungsten carbide tips, ensuring exceptional durability and longevity. They are particularly effective at cutting materials such as stainless steel, high alloy steel, aluminum, plastic, FRP, and PVC. The innovative arc chip pocket aids in the swift and smooth removal of metal chips, resulting in precise and efficient cuts. EZARK Carbide hole cutters are available in various sizes to accommodate different project requirements, and they can be used with various drills, including impact drills and CNC drilling machines. The Skil 7710 AA electric scraper is a robust and adaptable tool suitable for a wide range of applications. Its uses include removing various materials such as paint, putty, tile joints, flooring, hard foam residue, plaster, gypsum, adhesives, and more. The tool's 200 watts motor and 3-speed settings offer precise control and performance. Its ergonomic design with a soft grip ensures user comfort, even during extended use, while the click system allows for quick and tool-free accessory changes, making it a versatile and efficient choice for tasks like surface preparation, restoration, and carving work. The Wyken Round Cable Stripper is a versatile and professional-grade tool, engineered for precision and damage-free stripping of commonly used round cables within the 6.0 to 13.0 mm diameter range. With automatic adjustment for circular to longitudinal cutting and an infinitely variable cutting depth adjustment, it ensures a smooth and efficient cable stripping experience. The ergonomic handle offers comfort and control, while the non-slip grip enhances safety. Its space-saving design, along with the integrated length stop and fastening clip for secure storage, make it a practical choice for electricians and DIers. Furthermore, this cable stripper is safe for use on live cables and is designed to withstand heavy usage, offering durability and reliability. The GutterSense gutter cleaning tool offers a practical and safe solution for cleaning gutters without the need for a ladder. Its angled tongs can easily grasp leaves, pine needles, and other debris, while the tool's compatibility with standard extension poles allows users to access even the highest gutters. With the added convenience of a 12-foot pull rope, debris removal is a breeze. This tool is ideal for those who are concerned about working at heights and provides an effective and affordable solution for keeping gutters clean and free-flowing. Whether for home or work use, the GutterSense tool is a valuable addition to your gutter maintenance tools. A stair stringer cutting layout tool is a specialized and essential tool for carpenters involved in constructing stairs. This tool simplifies the process of accurately measuring and cutting stair stringers, ensuring that the steps are safe and uniform. It typically consists of a template with adjustable markings for different rise and run dimensions. Carpenters can customize the tool to match their project's specific requirements, and then use it to mark the stringer material. This layout provides a precise guide for cutting, resulting in accurately dimensioned stringers for various stair designs, including straight and curved stringers. Whether it's for residential or commercial applications, this tool enhances efficiency and precision in stair construction. The Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set is a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. With these depth stops, you can achieve precise and consistent drilling depths for various applications, ensuring clean and professional results. Whether you're working on dowel joints, installing hardware, or undertaking other woodworking projects, these depth stops offer a convenient and reliable solution. Their durable construction and adjustability make them a versatile tool for achieving accurate drilling depths with ease. The Freeman pneumatic flooring nailer and stapler is a versatile and reliable tool that simplifies various flooring projects, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. Its compatibility with different fasteners and flooring materials enhances its adaptability and usefulness. This tool's user-friendly features, such as the quick jam release and ergonomic handle, contribute to an efficient and fatigue-reducing experience. The inclusion of protective elements, like the light strike bumper and interchangeable no-mar base plates, ensures the preservation of finished surfaces. With the added accessories and warranty, the Freeman pneumatic flooring nailer and stapler is a valuable addition to any flooring project toolkit. The Carton Ninja Starter Kit is a practical and eco-friendly solution for sealing cardboard boxes of various sizes with ease and precision. This kit includes the Carton Ninja tool with a patented latching system for a secure seal, a positioner assembly that offers both fast and precise sealing options, a bearing hook for added leverage, and a set of replacement blades. Constructed from renewable materials, the kit is designed to be durable and user-friendly, making it suitable for individuals and businesses needing to seal cardboard boxes regularly. With simple steps, you can achieve a secure and professional seal, making it a valuable tool for packaging and shipping needs. Thank you for tuning in to our video showcasing the top tech tools. If you enjoyed it, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more amazing content like this.